speak Spanish, you live in East Austin, you live in West Austin, it doesn't matter. Everybody deserves the best outcome possible.
That was just moments ago. Lance Armstrong speaking to a large crowd gathered at the grand opening of the new Livestrong Center here in Austin. For the first time, his nonprofit Cancer Foundation has a place for cancer survivors, friends, and family to go for help. It's in East Austin on East 6th Street at the corner of Robert Martinez Street. And KXAN's Aaron Cargile is there live, the grand opening celebration. Aaron?
Good evening, Robert. The party is wrapping up. There's about 15 more minutes to go. Lots of free food and drinks here right outside the Livestrong headquarters in East Austin. Now, they've been here about 2 years, and this nonprofit have always had plans to open up a free resource center here as well. Now, about 5 months ago, they had a soft opening, and cancer survivors say it's already helping them fight their disease. Friday, most people were getting their first look inside the Livestrong Cancer Navigation Center. But for Brian Rose, he knows it already works.
The last 6 months for us have been great.
The minor league baseball coach living in Cedar Park was diagnosed with stage 4 melanoma almost 1 year ago. Doctors first spotted it on his head. It later spread to his lungs, liver, and brain.
Everybody's telling me, you're going to win, you're going to win, you're going to beat it, you're going to fight it. But it's like, how? How do I do that?
With plans in the off-season to get married and start a family, a friend referred him to Livestrong for answers to his fertility questions. But he found much more. Counselors pointed him toward a program to help him get treatment, pay off medical bills and debt, and take part in clinical trials.
He's a perfect example of someone who is diagnosed and had a myriad of needs, and maybe even wasn't aware of what those needs were initially.
Before, the nonprofit could only offer support by phone and online. Last year alone, they helped 11,000 people who either have cancer or know someone who does.
No matter who you are or where you live or what type of resources you have, cancer is overwhelming and confusing, and we felt like we needed to be enmeshed in the community.
Livestrong has no idea how many people will come, but they are here.
They're just standing here waiting for somebody to ask for help, and from that point they can take it and go from there.
Now, the services are free, and the center is paid for by the Livestrong Foundation. The goal is to prove that it works here in Austin and then expand it to other cities across the U.S. Live in East Austin tonight, Aaron Cargile, KXAN Austin.